a new episode of Richie and Vanessa Travel. I'm already in my PJs, so you know that this intro was filmed a little bit late. We are currently in the country of Finland, and we just wanted to make an intro for the video, say hi to you guys, let you know that the footage you're going to see next is basically just a room tour.
It's just some random footage that we got throughout the day. It was a rough travel day.
Yeah. So what you'll see in the next few minutes is from our travel day, and then tomorrow we're currently in Helsinki, Finland. Tomorrow we'll be going to Rovaniemi, Finland. And so tomorrow, hopefully, we will start filming some fun stuff for you guys. So we know we've been gone for a while. If you stuck with us, thank you so much. And let's get on with the video.
Packed our bags, we hit the road. Off to where the nights glow cold. Finland's magic up ahead. Glass igloos where we'll rest our heads. Beneath the stars we laying on. Aurora lights our northern draw. Cabin whispers tell so old. In this land of ice and cold. Aurora dreams ignite our sky. Glass igloos where the world feels high. Colors dancing, lights so true. A journey here, just me and you.
Hey guys, we are finally back on YouTube after a long
It's been like a year.
time. And we are starting you off with a room tour. We are staying at the Hilton in Helsinki. I'm not going to say the last word. Richie will write it somewhere around here because I have no idea how to pronounce it.
Starts with a K.
There's several Hiltons here, so the one with this name is the one we are staying at. So we were very graciously upgraded to the Sea View Deluxe room. We originally just had a standard room. So you guys just saw Richie walk in. You walk right into the bathroom, which features a shower, the toilet with a bidet. Very important, they have a bidet. You've got your sink, and then you've got a tub if you feel like taking a nice warm bath. If you follow me this way, we do have a closet, pretty standard closet. 2 doors, full-length mirrors, which you guys know is very important. We walk over to this little corner. We have more storage, the safe, an iron. Oh, we got robes.
Oh, we got robes too.
I love a robe.
Maybe that's for the thing for the next surprise?
Maybe. And then we've got a little coffee maker right here. You've got a desk area to get ready in the mornings if you'd like. Your standard bed, queen bed, I believe, or is this a king? I think this is
a king.
Yeah. You got a little work area here as well if you're working while you're here. And the absolute best part about this room is the view. That, my friends, is the Baltic Sea. And there's a trail that walks all around it, which we are going to go do right after this.
And you. In the wild, the reindeers play. Snowflakes kiss the light of day. Frozen lakes and forest deep. Nordic wonders never sleep. And you.
Baltic Sea.
Baltic Sea.
When are you going to do that again?
Whew, it's cold. are freezing our butts off
There's
in
wind chill out here. It's
Helsinki.
probably like in the teens for sure.
It is freezing, but
It's funny because today is not snowing. Yesterday was snowing and it felt warmer than today.
sorry guys, double duty. But we wanted to say good morning. We are probably heading out in about 20 minutes. We're just gonna go finish packing up. We're headed to the airport because we are going to Rovaniemi today, which is very exciting.
Seen pictures or video last night of the Northern Lights. We're there yesterday.
Yes, so hopefully they will be there today. If not today, one of the other days that we're there.
Yeah.
Maybe every day we're there, we don't know.
If they're not there, then it's fake. I don't believe it.
Fake news. But we will bring you guys along and see you in Rovaniemi.
Our dreams might our start. Glass igloos where the world feels high. Colors dancing, lights so true. A journey here, just me and you, and you. Hold my hand beneath the pool. Place me to show.
You may now switch off flight mode on your handheld.
Heartbeats sync with northern lights, lost in wonder, cold delights. Delights.
Hi guys, we have made it to Rovaniemi and we are now at our resort waiting for our glass igloo. We are at Apukka resort and so far it's really beautiful. Everyone here is really friendly, so we are excited.
Yeah.
We're about 30 minutes away from getting our glass igloo, so we're just gonna walk around and see what there is to see.
I think of Finland and I think of what we're looking at right now.
Yeah, yeah,
I got the ice lake over here we're gonna go check out.
yeah. Welcome in.
Hello.
We just got our Aurora Queen cabin at Apukka Resort here in Rovaniemi, Finland. So let's bring you along. First stop is our little mudroom, which is actually very convenient. Gives you extra storage if you need it. And then we walk into the actual little suite. So come on in. It features your typical coffee station with tea, coffee, and hot chocolate, which is a nice touch. Most places don't give you hot chocolate. We've got a mini fridge, glasses, cups, nice little sitting area. And then we've got another beautiful sitting area with a bear, which is pretty cool. Taking you over here to the bathroom. Pretty standard. You've got your vanity area, you've got the throne, and then you've got your shower over on this side. And it's a rain shower, which is nice. I like them. We've got a mirror, which is great. And of course, you've got the bed with all of the glass up here so that hopefully the auroras are out all night and you get to enjoy them right from the warmth and comfort of your bed. Hi everyone! We just want to say thank you for watching the video. We forgot to film an outro yesterday, so thank you so much. And soon you're going to see a video of us going to visit Santa Claus, which I'm so excited about. So
That's coming up next.
yes it is. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and give us a follow on Instagram and TikTok if you want to get to know us better. So have a great day wherever you are.
Lost in wonder, cold delights.